Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn and create this type of blood dripping title in Filmora 12. So without any further delay, let's start today's video. First go to the titles and drop the default title on track 7. Then enter your word in small letters, change the font to Bleeding Freak and change the font size to 170. Then adjust the text and align it in the center of the preview screen. Click on Advanced and change the fill type to Image and select Red Grunge Wallpaper. Click on Apply to save it. Then go to the stickers and apply Bloody Events Element 18 on track 6 at the 20th frame. Then go to the video, adjust the scale of the sticker and place it under the letter H and A. Now to blend it with the Halloween word, go to the color, change highlight, shadow, white, black, contrast and brightness. Then duplicate it on track 5 and keep track 6 till the 5 second. Select track 5 and flip it to create variation and place the drip under any other letter. Then go to the speed, change speed to 1.5 and adjust the sticker on the timeline. Then drop the Bloody Event Element 17 on track 4. Hide the text track. Go to the mask. Select the pen tool and create a mask around the blood drip. Then go back to the video, reduce the scale and place the drip under any other letter of your choice. Then go to the color and adjust the color to blend it with the letter color. Then at start, add position keyframe. Then at the 4 seconds, change Y position and slide the drip down. Duplicate it on track 3. Then remove the mask and create a mask on any other drips and place them behind the letter. Then adjust the starting point of the blood drip to create variation. Then use Bloody Event Element 9 and use the same process to create drips. Then go to the effects and apply the Horror Pack Overlay 2 on track 1. Reduce the opacity to 39. Then on top track apply Intense Fog sticker. Increase scale to 346 and change Y to -580. Keep it for 5 seconds. Then go to the effects and apply VHS Horror Filter 10. Then apply Retro Noise Overlay 9 and change the opacity to 42. Even you can use retro filters and LUTs, or you can go to the overlay and use retro overlays and apply Retro Noise Overlay 10. Change the opacity to 39. Then apply cinematic bars. Let's check the intro. If you feel it's too red, select the Intense Fog and change the blend mode to screen and opacity to 75. Place the playhead at 20th frame. Select the default title and reduce the opacity to 0. Place the playhead at the start and add opacity keyframe. Then at the 20th frame, set the opacity to 100. Now let's render it to see the preview. Or you can remove the keyframe from the default title and use the Evaporate to transition for 1 second and 15 frames. Now let's see the preview. Further, you can add an adjustment layer for more color correction. Now let's render it to see the final preview. This is how you can create a horror title for Halloween or title and intro for your video inside Filmora 12. That's it for the day. If you like this tutorial, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more awesome tutorials. See you all in my next video. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye.